two expression, worksheet and workbook. Come to File, New, blank workbook. This is called a worksheet, a page with cells at the top from left to right with ABC from top to down at the left from 1 to infinity or from 1 to the desired number. This is called a worksheet. Only one cell will be active at a time. You can navigate between in your worksheet using your mouse or keyboard. Next is workbook. A workbook is a collection of worksheets. It may be having 1 sheet, 2 sheet, 3 sheet, or many sheets. Whenever you are going to save your file, you are saving as your workbook. Here you see sheet 1. You can rename this sheet by clicking it, right click, rename it. You can give it 1. You can add a new sheet from here. See, by default sheet 2, but you rename it 3. Next, another page. There's a bit of problem in order between these sheets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. So we are dragging this sheet, moving it to its own position and leaving it here. How to move your sheets order. Next is to delete the sheet. Right click, delete, your sheet is gone.